What's up, guys? Quick question. Are you an OG Nokia fan like we are? If yes, I've got some massive news for you. According to the latest leaks, Nokia is planning a grand comeback in 2026. We're talking about a phone with a battery the size of a power bank, a camera that rivals a DSLR, and a processor that might just make the iPhone sweat. The internet is absolutely blowing up over the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. Rumor has it, this isn't just a smartphone, it's a total monster. Why? How does a 200 megapixel camera and a massive 7500 mAh battery sound? So, if you're thinking about upgrading your phone right now, stop. Do not make a decision until you watch this video. We're breaking down the full specs, price, and launch date of this beast. Let's dive in. Features of the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. Display and design. First up, let's talk about the feature that's going to grab your attention immediately, the display. Nokia isn't cutting any corners here. We are looking at a gorgeous 6.75-inch 1.5K LTPO OLED screen. But wait, the real game changer is the refresh rate. While other flagships are stuck at 120Hz, the Nokia Turbo Pro is pushing a 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're doom scrolling or hitting headshots in gaming, everything is going to be buttery smooth. And don't worry if you have butterfingers. With Gorilla Glass 7 and an IP68 rating, this thing is built to survive water and drops. It's not just a phone, it's built like a tank. Camera setup. Now, for the feature you all clicked on this video for, the camera. The back of this phone is locked and loaded with 3 lenses, led by an insane 200 megapixel primary sensor. Imagine this. You aren't just taking photos, you're capturing paintings. Zoom in, crop it, the detail is going to stay crisp. You also get a 50 megapixel and a 48 megapixel supporting lens setup. And yes, for all my Instagram Reels creators and TikTokers, there is a 50 megapixel front camera. So even on a bad hair day, your selfies are going to look crisp. Performance. Let's talk about the engine driving this beast. Friends, leaks suggest this phone will pack the world's most powerful Android processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, heavy multitasking, 4K video editing, marathon gaming sessions, this phone doesn't know the meaning of the word tired. Plus, the best part. It's rumored to ship with the latest Android 16. You are going to be totally future-proof. Battery backup. But hold on, with all these heavy features, you need serious power, right? This is where Nokia absolutely destroys the competition. While the iPhone and Samsung are hovering around 5000 mAh, the Nokia Turbo Pro is packing a jumbo 7500 mAh battery. You can literally leave your charger at home, this phone isn't dying on you for 2 days. And if you do manage to drain it, the 90-watt fast charger will juice it back up before you can even finish a snack. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, what's the damage to your wallet? If the leaks and reports are true, we're looking at a price point around $1,000, with a potential launch dropping in the middle of 2026. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Do you trust this Nokia comeback? Or do you think this is just internet hype? The comment section is open, let me know your thoughts.